Hey there legends, Laura from the training team here at Lexer, and welcome to this video where we're going to walk through how to connect your MarTech stack with Lexer via integrations. Integrations allow you to connect your various digital channels, and they enable you to push and pull data in and out of Lexer securely. Setting up and connecting your integrations should be one of the first things you do when you get access to your hub, as these are the tools that make up your digital marketing stack and allow you to enrich your profiles, create your segments, and activate to your chosen channels. Throughout this video, we'll show you how to connect your 4 core marketing integrations, and they are Klaviyo, Shopify, Yotpo, and Attentive. By the end of this video, you'll have your complete marketing stack connected and ready to go. So, let's get started. The first integration we're going to walk through is Klaviyo. Klaviyo is your email marketing platform and has been created for online businesses that use email and SMS in their marketing. Integrating your Klaviyo account with Lexer has a number of benefits, including being able to sync your segments between platforms, sending customer data to updated lists in Klaviyo, and you can use your Klaviyo attributes to create custom segments in the Lexer Hub. Before you can integrate your Klaviyo account with Lexer, you will need to make a private API key in Klaviyo. To do this, log into your Klaviyo account and then navigate to Account, Settings, API Keys. From there, click Create API Key and follow the prompts. We suggest including Lexer in the naming of your private API key for easy reference later. But now, let's jump into the hub and finish our setup. So we're in the hub, and I'll be using our demo hub Fitness Co throughout this video to walk through our integrations. So from the home page, we're going to navigate to Manage in the top navigation bar, which takes us straight to our integrations page. And here we can see our integrations tiles. A great Lexer tip is that these tiles are arranged in alphabetical order, top to bottom and left to right. And all your integrated accounts will appear at the top of the page. While below these, if we scroll down, we have our other integrations. So back to Klaviyo. Now that we have our API key, we can begin the rest of the integration. The first thing we do is find our Klaviyo tile and click on this, and then click Integrate Klaviyo. A pop-up will appear on the left, and this is where we need to add our API key information. We will need to supply the username, which is the username of our Klaviyo API user, and this can be set up when you create your API key. And then we copy and paste in the API key itself. Once this is done, the final step is to add our groups, which is who has access to this integration, and then we hit Save Integration. The Lexer team will need to do some final configuration work once your Klaviyo account has been connected successfully, so please contact your success manager or Lexer support to get this done. You can also capture and track Klaviyo segment audiences in Lexer by simply adding the Klaviyo segment ID to your Klaviyo tile in Lexer. You'll just need the IDs for each Klaviyo segment, and these can be found in your account. So, to do this, we stay on our integrations page and we find our Klaviyo tile. And if our Klaviyo account is already connected and data is in our CDXP, then we will have 2 Klaviyo tiles. The one we need to select is the tile that lists our connected accounts. So we click on the connected account that the segment belongs to and then paste in our Klaviyo segment ID. We then click the plus button to add it. Click Save Integration, and that's done. If you get an error message, Be sure to check your segment ID, as it will not save if the segment ID does not match or does not belong to the Klaviyo account. But that's Klaviyo done. Now you're ready to create segments using your Klaviyo attributes and push your custom segments back into Klaviyo for activation. Now, let's move on to Shopify. Shopify is a complete commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage a business all on a single platform. Integrating your Shopify account with Lexer has a number of benefits, including being able to import your Shopify contacts as enriched profiles, as well as creating e-commerce attributes that can be used for customer segmentation and analysis within the Lexer Hub. So, let's get back into the Hub and start to integrate. We're back at our integrations page, and we're going to head straight for our Shopify tile. We click on the tile, and then we click on Integrate Shopify. Once this is done, we can move to the right of the screen where we'll see a text box where we can copy and paste our shop URL. Now we hit Integrate at the bottom of the screen. Next, a separate screen will pop up asking for us to log into our Shopify account. We simply need to add our Shopify email and password, and then we'll get taken back to the Lexer Hub where we click Add Integration. For the final step, you'll need to contact your Success Manager or Lexer support to complete the configuration of your account, and we'll let you know once this is done. But connecting your Shopify account really is that simple. Okay, so now we're ready to set up our Yotpo account. Yotpo is an e-commerce marketing platform which, when connected with Lexer, allows you to sync your loyalty and reviews data. Some benefits of a Yotpo integration include the ability to be able to create loyalty program status segments in the Hub, or leverage high-value loyalty customer lists for lookalike audiences. You can also use your Yotpo data to segment high-rating reviewers and highlight them as promoters, or identify low-rating reviewers so you can suppress them from campaigns. But let's jump back into the Hub and connect our account. I'm going to click on the Yotpo tile and then hit Integrate Yotpo. A separate screen will pop up and it will ask us to fill in our Yotpo login account details. We need to then fill in these details so that our Yotpo account is connected to Lexer. And again, for one final step, once we've added our Yotpo account credentials to the Yotpo tile in the Hub, we need to contact our Success Manager or Lexer support to complete the Yotpo setup and configuration. And you'll be notified once this is done. But now, let's move on to our final core integration, Attentive. Attentive is a text message marketing solution for brands wanting to give customers an engaging and memorable experience. You can achieve this through the Attentive and Lexer integration, leveraging the power of Lexer's CDP. Integrating your Attentive account with Lexer provides a number of SMS-related benefits, and they include being able to increase personalization in SMS marketing campaigns by creating enriched segments within Lexer and sending them to Attentive for activations. You can also identify high-conversion SMS customers and send them unique offers, or identify customers that prefer SMS to better engage and convert them. So, let's jump into the Hub and walk through how to connect your Attentive account. So firstly, I'm back at our integrations page, and we're going to click on the Attentive tile, and then click on Integrate Attentive. If you're not currently logged into your Attentive account, then a separate screen will pop up asking for you to fill in your login information. Once you've logged in, another pop-up will appear asking you to connect your Attentive and Lexer accounts. Scroll to the bottom of this pop-up and click Authorize. And That's the first step of the process complete. Now, once your account is connected, you will need to notify Attentive that you wish to integrate your account with Lexer. Once you do so, Attentive will then need to set up an SFTP bucket for you. This is to make sure that data in both Lexer and Attentive stays in sync. For more information on this, check out our Attentive article on learn.lexer.io. Simply search for Attentive. Once Attentive has set up an SFTP bucket for you, they will give you the credentials, and you can enter these credentials into Lexer to complete the setup. To do so, navigate back to the Attentive tile and then select your current integrated account. If you click on the account, you can add your SFTP credentials where directed. In Groups, add Access Integrations and Access Activate, but please note that you may need manager permissions to do so. And once these steps are complete, click on Save Integration. Once the SFTP setup is done, Lexer will notify you that your data has been loaded in. This means you can now create segments using your Attentive data and push them through for activation. But that's our final integration connected and ready to go. So let's finish with a quick recap. Integrations are at the core of how you can maximize the Lexer Hub and allow you to not only pull in data from your various marketing software tools, but push it back out as well. In this module today, we walked through how to integrate 4 marketing integrations: Klaviyo, Shopify, Yotpo, and Attentive. You're now ready to go and create some great segments and activate some truly personalized campaigns using these tools like the Lexer legend you are. I hope you enjoyed learning about these 4 integrations as much as I did. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.